Hi, everybody. Philip from Voiceform here, and I'm excited to share a brand new update on one of our features today. So, as of today, you can now create a voice form using generative AI. And I'll show you how to do it in this quick video here. So, all you have to do is go to your account, click on Create Voice Form. We'll click on that button, and you'll see that in the past, you were able to create a voice form from scratch, use a template, or now auto-generate your voice form with the power of AI. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on it, and I'm going to show you how it works. We'll click on it there, and it's going to prompt us to provide a little bit more information about our business. So I have a preset message here, and this is just for voice form to get a deeper understanding of what it is your business does so that we can create a personalized voice form for you. So I wrote here, we're a family-run restaurant based in the Bay Area. We have been around since 1965 and have made sure to treat every single one of our customers like they were our family members. We've had a very strong customer base for many years. Our most popular dishes include burgers, hot dogs, and fish and chips. Great. So we're going to click continue. And the next step would be to define the goal of your voice form. So what are you trying to achieve? I have another preset kind of message here. I'm going to pop in just to save us some time. But this is where you would write something like, I want to collect feedback to learn more about what our customers want from us. For this one, I wrote, we're looking to collect feedback from our existing customers to figure out which dishes our customers like the most and why. We also want to know if there are any new dishes we should add. So I think that looks good. We're going to make this a 7-question survey. We're going to click continue. And it's that easy. So we're just going to sit tight here, wait a minute, grab a quick cup of coffee, and your voice form will be created for you rather than having to go and create it. So as you can see here, we have a number of questions here. So we have a rating question to kick it off. We have some multiple choice questions. And then ultimately at the end, we do have a voice question and then a few as well. So let's click create and start editing. And we found that this is a really good kind of baseline to get started. So you could think of it as almost like personalized templates kind of thing. So let's go see what we have here. So we have some voice questions in here. So what do you like about our food? People can just record their response, as you guys know. We're going to add a welcome page. So welcome, or maybe thanks for choosing Bill's Diner. We'd love your feedback. Your voice form is ready to go, so you can begin distributing this, and this only took you a few minutes. Let us know what you think.